According to the US Geological Survey, the static recoverable years of global bauxite resource reserves is about 102 years. However, the static recoverable years of bauxite resources in China is only 11.6 years. At the same time, the state of the world's trees released by the Botanic Gardens Conservation International (BGCI) reported that global forest area has declined by 40% in the past 3 decades, and 29 countries have lost more than 90% of their forest cover. Zhongpu, as a leading manufacturer of aluminum products in the kitchenware industry and creator of a better life, takes the construction of ecological civilization as its own responsibility, activates green manufacturing, and with environmentally friendly products, brings a sustainable future. We are a firm advocate of 98% recyclable aluminum. Every product of Zhongpu is directly processed out of recycled aluminum materials from the consumer side. Zhongpu takes a good control of details from the source. The materials are smelted at 730 degrees of high temperature to filter out impurities and add various trace elements. Zhongpu's products have passed the US FDA and EU LFGB food contact certification. We create 100% 3103A world-class food-grade recyclable aluminum sheets with low energy consumption. With limited resources, we bring unlimited development. We have our own 98% recycled aluminum materials and recycled aluminum pot production workshops. With more resilient industrial and supply chains, we compress the lead time more efficiently of production from sheets to finished products, creating a high-quality product line with the most advanced production lines in the world. After furnace quenching, Zhongpu's product is durable with every detail polished and increasingly improved. We strive to meet every expectation of customers with high product quality. The traceability document of each of our recyclable aluminum sheets gives them a unique identity. Our products have passed the international ISO 14021 and UL 2809 recycled aluminum certification. Our in-detail quality control and internal experimental testing ensure that each high-quality recycled aluminum sheet maintains good performance and can still enter the production line of recycled cookware again. Using FSC certified packaging materials and 50% recycled bakelite handles, the recycling rate of product lines has been increased. We gather technical strength to achieve high-quality development. Zhongpu is not only a manufacturer of aluminum cookware, but also a communicator of energy conservation and emission reduction, environmental protection. We believe that our customers' expectations are beyond buying an aluminum pan, but for the cause of global green environmental protection and sustainable development to contribute their own efforts. Zhejiang Zhongpu Cookware Manufacturing Company Limited, an advocate of low carbon and circular development, a green practitioner and creator.